Hello, hello, welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to go ahead and add docs. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. And the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is head over to the top left corner of your OBS, click on docs, and then either lock docs, full height docs, or reset docs. That's going to be just how you change the like essentially view of it, but you actually want to click on custom browser docs, and you can change the doc name. So let's make this doc my Twitch chat. Okay, and then I'd go to my browser, go ahead and find my URL for that. It wouldn't be there, it would be in my creator dashboard, stream manager, and then I go here, click on this little cogwheel. And this is going to work for like any YouTube chat or anything like that. You just want to find the essentially the link for the chat or whatever the thing is that you want to doc. And then I go ahead and copy that and then just put that into my doc URL. And then now when I press apply, it'll go ahead and doc my Twitch chat. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been a OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. I accidentally added way more that I didn't mean to put it up there.